John 15 verse 5 says, I am the vine, and you are the branches. Whoever abides in me, and I in him, it is that bears much fruit, for apart from me, you can do nothing. If anyone does not abide in me, he is thrown away like a branch, and withers, and the branches are gathered, thrown into the fire, and burned. You, apple tree, I will pour out to you the living water, so that you will grow and bear fruit. Grow, grow, grow. And you, Oyabana tree, I will pour out to you the living water, so that you will grow and bear fruit. Grow, 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 grow. And you,
Dalawa na Kuya Baro. Sana kami-yes na ito.
Oh, there's something with the avocado tree. It doesn't grow and bear fruit. That's what the word of God says. If a tree doesn't bear fruit, he will be cut off and thrown into the fire.
Ah, siyempre ito.
5, 6, 7, 8. We keep on growing, growing. We keep on growing, growing. Keep on growing, growing. Jesus. We keep on growing, growing. Woo! We keep on growing, growing. Woo! We keep on growing, growing. Jesus.
Nakasayaw din si Jawa.
Growing, growing, growing on.